Hi, welcome to DEKOM's YouTube channel. My name is Robert and today I will be showing you how to use the room system to have a Zoom meeting. To use the camera and screen of one of the meeting rooms on your laptop, you need to connect the USB cable to the blue port in the table and connect the HDMI cable to the red port in the table, and also connect both cables to your laptop. This will allow your laptop to use the room's display and audio and video equipment for non-Microsoft Teams meetings, for example Zoom. When you have connected all the cables, you can open up your Zoom client and start the meeting on the big screen in the room. First, before you start the meeting, make sure that you are using the room's audio and video equipment by going to the settings pane and checking if the correct audio and video devices are selected here. Once you've selected the correct devices, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more tutorials.